live in Netherlands for almost 5 years, and every season we plan to visit this museum, and we always miss this plan. Yeah, and today we finally...
Today, yeah, it's a big day. So we are going to show you the impressive museum. As per all reviews and just all stories what we heard about it, it should be very nice. Сейчас папа поможете.
Тоже иди. Иди тоже. Иди, зайди туда. We start with the first floor. It has probably the most of the installations, and they are friendly for our boys' age. So Adam is 2 years plus and David is 6 years plus, and they both enjoyed. They had like some things to interact with, to play with, to practice. So it was not just like they watch, but they also could learn how they work, what they mean, right? So they could interact and learn by doing. This visit to the museum was kind of totally free. The thing is, we use this museum cards. It is 1 year subscription, so you buy this subscription, you get this card, and you can use this card to enter 450 museums. More than, yeah. And then most of the time it's free. In some ones you can pay kind of additional fee, or you enter and there's additional things that you for this you need to pay, but entrance itself is totally free. Готов? On the same floor, first floor, they have also a central area that you see on the screen, and in this area they periodically show the main topic of the museum. So in our case it was a chain reaction, so they prepared this kind of experiment in the central area, so this preparation also takes some time, and then invite people, especially kids, to watch this experiment. So it takes probably 20-30 minutes, kids look, and then on the same floor they have special room where they can actually practice what they saw. So this is basically another example of learn by doing. So here they can try to repeat the same experiment in a smaller scale, of course, but for the same topic. So here we are doing preparing these toys, the special toys, so they can understand, they can see this chain reaction in action.
Упс, сильнее пальчиком сделай. Супер.
The second floor, called Technium. On this floor they have a bit bigger scale installations and they are also more advanced, but they also include some interactive games on the screens. People can, kids especially, can practice with them, play with them.
You have this museum card when you pay 65 euro per adult per one card, and for kids it's 32 euro, but the kids are under 3 years old, they are for free. And to buy these cards, actually it's worth this money because actually the general tickets, if you buy through the website,
If you go without these cards, usually for adults it's like 20-25 euros.
Per
Like it
person.
depends on a museum, on the place of course, but this is like general price. And also for kids above 5 or 6 years, it is like 16 euro, 15 euro, it depends. So yeah, if you visit a lot, it is totally worth it, right? So if you don't go a lot, yeah, maybe it's you pay a bit over. But in general, yeah, for us personally, we feel like there was times when we bought it and we didn't use much. But yeah, like if we keep
It
in
was
mind.
Corona time actually, when
Yeah, this is
everything
first
was
time.
closed.
So the next floor is called Humania. We didn't have enough time for this floor, and the topic was also a bit requiring more attention. So we decided to add this to our list. We did take a quick look, and probably we'll visit it next time. So this specific museum, Nemo Science Museum, actually it is way too big for first time visit. Like what I mean is, if you visit first time and you want to see all of this like installations, it's way too much. example, today we spent
3 hours.
3 hours. Yeah, I think like about 3 hours, and we didn't like play. We didn't test every piece. We were like running from one to another one. We have 2 kids, and then like they have different interests. Yeah.
So actually this museum contains about 4 or 5 floors with different themes. So there is some construction, there is some about the space, about humanoid, so and also about they have some kind of laboratory where the kids under the 6 years old they can enter, wear some special clothes and make some make some tests.
Крути, крути педали. Сильнее, сильнее. Вот ты на Марс идешь. Крути. Давай еще. Ага. Сатурн.
Before visiting Nemo Science Museum, we heard a lot of nice and positive feedback about its canteen. So we decided also have lunch here. Here you can see us ordering different foods to test, and actually it was really nice. So?
Berries, okay. Jam berries.
Yeah, that's the flavor.
So you can mix water with different flavors, and we will try one here. Let's see. The final destination on this trip was the roof. It has one of the nicest view on Amsterdam Central. It was a bit windy. We didn't enjoy it much this time, but view-wise, it is one of the best places. When we were considering to buy this, to get this card, actually got this question in mind, like if there will be enough museums or enough like places to visit with this card, especially enough family-friendly places. The thing is, in they are not just like where you observe, but you also participate. So they have a lot of interactive
Workshops.
interactive things, workshops. So you or kids, they can go and then try. So that's why so far, like we are buying it for 2 years, right? 3 years or 2 years? I don't remember. Two times, right?
Yeah, 2 times.
2 times, yeah. So like basically 2 years. So we bought 2 subscriptions for a year. And so far we are satisfied, right? So we can get places where we are interested, like as parents, as like we can go separately, or there are places where we can go with kids. And they also have on their website, you can filter and say, hey, I want to visit a museum or an outdoor place with kids, and you will have a list of them. So yeah, it's like it is well thought feature, so everyone can use it.
This is the result of 3 hours for the museum.